privilege to welcome our guest of honor, Ms. Anuradha Bose, a visionary in the world of marketing. With over 28 years of experience across FMCD, services, lubricants, and retail sectors, Ms. Bose currently serves as a Senior Vice President Marketing at JSW Paints, where she leads brand initiatives with a sharp focus on innovation and performance. Her expertise span strategic brand planning, pan India marketing execution, and measurable outcomes. A trailblazer in CRM led customer loyalty programs, she has spearheaded one of India's largest retail loyalty initiatives, showcasing her mastery of data analytics, direct marketing, and strategic alliances. Ms. Bose's leadership blends creativity with precision, consistently delivering impactful digital marketing and social media programs with a result driven mindset. Her contribution to customer centric branding has made her a role model in the marketing domain. We are deeply honored to have Ms. Anuradha Bose with us today. May I now request her to address the gathering and inspire the graduating class with her insights.
Good morning, distinguished faculty members, guests of honor, the proud parents, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2025. It's really a great honor to be here with all of you today, not just as an industry veteran, a person who has worked in corporates for about close to 30 years now, but as someone who has firsthand witnessed the exhilarating and often, shall I say it, disorienting pace of change that defines our modern corporate and business world. Congratulations, graduates, on reaching what is really a very, very important and significant milestone in each of your lives. You have worked tirelessly, honed your skills, your analytical minds, and are now at the threshold, a very significant threshold, as you step into a professional landscape that is unlike anything that has come before. So I'm very glad to inform you that 50% of what you have learned already is passé, it's gone. But nobody can tell you which 50% it is. So welcome to an era of uncertainty, an era that is, the pace of technological obsolescence is unlike anything that anyone has witnessed before. One of my favorite authors and gurus, Alvin Toffler, said many, many years back, the illiterate of this century will not be those who cannot read and write, okay? They will be those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. As you embark on your careers, you will see that this pace of technological obsolescence is actually an unparalleled opportunity. The skills that today, are highly valued and are cutting edge will become commonplace tomorrow. The innovations of this year are superseded by the next. We are living in an era where the half-life of knowledge is shrinking and shrinking rapidly. Industries are being redefined at warp speed, and it's not just by AI and automation, big data, and other emergent technologies. So, as I said before, it is an unparalleled opportunity. It is not a cause of alarm. You at IBS Mumbai have been privileged to get a robust foundation in basic principles, strategic thinking, leadership, and to truly thrive in this dynamic and ever changing business world, you must embrace only two critical strengths or skills. One is fast learning. I think ma'am has already touched upon the need for continuous learning, but I'm talking about fast, being quick. And second is continuously upgrading your skills. Fast learning is not something that is just an advantage. Today's corporate world, it has become a survival skill. Okay, so it isn't fine. It means that you need to have a mindset of continuous curiosity. It's not enough to say, oh, I see something is happening. This is a trend. I'm looking at this trend. But what corporates really want is for you to tell why this is happening and what you in the corporate can do to leverage, take advantage of this trend and turn it into something useful for the business. So the true education, while your MBA has prepared you with the foundational skills, you need to continuously evolve, continuously observe, and continuously learn. And what is more important is to know why something is happening. What is okay? Why is what will truly define you as a person who is able to make a difference. And believe me, corporates value people who make a difference. The 80% recognition comes to those who make the difference. Secondly, this continuous skill upgrade is a practical manifestation of fast learning. It is not just about reading an article or attending a workshop, okay, but to understand what is it that will make your life easier, which will make you appear to your superiors that indeed you are demonstrating how you are constantly upgrading. You are looking at the what rather than the why. So today there was a time when perhaps I started my career where we valued what is called the T-shaped professional. That means you have a deep area of expertise and you understand broadly what's happening in other areas. Today it has become a pie-shaped professional. That means you need to have more than one area of deep expertise and you also need to understand what's happening across. So, how you adapt to the change, how quickly you get on your feet, and how continuously you're able to show that you are making a difference is what matters in corporate world. As you step out, remember that your greatest strength lies not in the answers you provide. Okay, everybody doesn't have all the answers. In fact, I would even venture to say nobody has all the answers, and definitely nobody has all the right answers. But you must have an unwavering commitment to finding new solutions, be agile, be adaptable, and above all, I think many of you think your student life is over, but be a student for life. That is something that will really help you throughout your corporate journey. So go forth, innovate, lead, and shape a future that is just not successful only for yourselves, but will make an impact in the world. Make your own rules, because they say if all the rules are broken, nobody is there to tell you which rule is broken, what rule works. Make your own rules. And congratulations once again, and wishing you all the best for a great and successful corporate journey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for leading us into a journey where learning, innovation, and value creation never stops. We are ready to grow in a world that's constantly changing, not just by AI, but with ideas and being a student for life.